Ah.
I ate a little bit too much for dinner. My gut is telling me, fuck you, you ate too much. So burps are like burping tonight. Extra hard. Trying to process all the extra food I put down my gullet. It was so good. It's all good stuff. I just made a huge pan full of like veggies and tofu puffs and green beans and corn and brown rice and beans and some chili oil and some soy and some garlic powder and onion powder. It was delicious. It's way too much. It was a high protein, very high protein, very delicious meal though. Highly recommend. Great as a quick meal prep. Unless you like it charred like I do. I like my veggies and everything like, almost like charred on the edges, so it has a little extra depth of flavor, you know? I used to order those Szechuan green beans all the time. You know, I don't go out anymore. Waste of money. And I don't have a social life. Those Szechuan green beans, and they used to char them and they walk. Oh, so good. Spicy. I miss Chinese rice with Szechuan green beans. With the braised tofu, with the Chinese rice. I've been eating brown rice for so long, I kind of miss like, white rice. I might have to get some. Anyways, I hope you guys had a great day. My day was pretty good. Princess and I had a pretty good day. And unfortunately, the amazing bell-bottom pants I bought today are too big for me, so I can't wear them. But guess what? Somebody's gonna find them on eBay and absolutely love them, and it's gonna fit them. I never return anything. Resell, redonate, whatever.